Hello YouTube, it's me on my bike again. Well, what's so special today? Yeah, I got 3.5k subscribers on my YouTube channel. Let's see right now how much I got. Let's check my phone. Let's check the phone. It's 3,549 subs. Thank you guys. I was thinking should I make a vlog about these 3.5k subs. So I'm doing right now. As you can see me, thank you and I love you guys for the support. Yes, credit goes to you all. You guys are awesome. Thank you for your support right from the beginning. I started this vlog I started this channel a year and a half ago. Never thought of getting this much subscribers, because even reaching 1,100 sub is a damn difficult, and I vlog and upload videos, but you guys support me, and here I'm in front of you vlogging this. Thank you all once again. As far as I know, the good thing is that me, the first motovlogger from my hometown Manipur, I'm so sorry about that, is it's simple as searches on people who do motovlog. I googled it, I searched it on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. I didn't find anyone that matched me, the first guy on town. That was the last time when I start vlogging, but now we got a new star doing motovlog. My buddy Emoji, aka Broker, he recently started doing his vlog. Hope you check it out. And I also got a gift from him. You know what? It's a helmet. Not this, but a brand new AGV Tartaruga. Whoa! Thank you so much. I'm so happy that I keep safe at home. The helmet, cause it's costly to wear every day. Thank you, bro, for the gift once again. And again, I got a friend from the town who start doing his vlog. And if there is a motovlogger from Manipur, please let me know on the comment box. We can meet it up. Apart from the case apps, many people asking me why that guy put a game on his helmet and a different person like an alien. Yeah, we do look odd to others. Let's get to the point. I vlog because I need some memories to be broadcasted on internet, YouTube, whether good or bad videos, so that friends, relatives, wives, sons, daughters will find me easily when I'm not around. You know what I mean. Life is short and I'm doing what I love. Finally, thank you for your support and God bless you all. Thank you.